will take the triple regular, 1,009. The warabi mochi, the butterscotch, at saka yung Okinawan salt cookies. Blue seal. Yum! Kain tayo. So, I ordered this. May nabawasan na. Tatlong flavors to. Itong isa is the Okinawan salted cookies. Sarap siya. Vanilla siya tapos may cookies. Pero hindi naman super salted. Tapos yung isa ay ito yung Mickey at saka may mochi. Parang ano nila, ataking milk tea na may boba. Kasi diba? Parang same texture ng boba at saka yung mochi. Pag matigas. Sarap ng ice cream nila, creamy. Ito isa butterscotch. Sarap din, nasa-nasa. So, itong I ordered pala regular size. Yung 3 scoops, parang nasa 1,000 yan.